Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how you will create an inventory file as well as the ansible.cfg file. So I'm proceeding from the same location. So this is my ansible.cfg which has the one inventory file, and this is the inventory file. Here there are two servers mentioned, server1.example.com and server2.example.com. I have these two servers running in my VMware workstation, so you can see server 1 and server 2, and let me check the connectivity from here. So I believe I do not have the DNS, so I need to use sudo vim/etc host file, and let me mention here 192.168.207.129 is the address of my server 1.example.com. I can just mention here server 1, and this is also the server 2, so it's a 130, and this is the server 2. Okay, let me try to use ping server 1, yes, and server 2, yes. So we need to configure these two servers first to be managed by the Ansible. So let me do the SSH server 1. So I need to access these two machines first by using the root user account, because I have just installed these two servers. I have not done any configuration. So let me create some one user which is used by the Ansible. So if you remember, I have mentioned the name of the user is this DevOps. So let me create a DevOps user here. DevOps. Okay, let me set some password for this DevOps user. Okay, now I need to provide the sudo for this particular user. So let me give the sudo/etc sudos and go to the location. Where is the user? Here. So let me copy this and remove this particular user name. Put the name is DevOps, and this is the all. Okay, I also need to put here no passwd, because I don't want to provide the password while using the sudo. Okay, let me close this one. Sorry, let me force close this one, and let me check it by using the sudo devops and try to run the command like sudo -i. Yeah, okay, good. So this is the server 1. I have done this change on server 1. Let me do this change on server 2 as well. So let's go to the server 2 and create the user add DevOps, supply some password. Okay, now go to /etc sudos and then this copy DevOps, and here no passwd. Oops, force. Let me check it. DevOps sudo -i. Yeah, it also configured. Okay, now let's come back to the file, and here we have used ansible.cfg, and remote user we have mentioned here is called DevOps. Now we need to set up the SSH keys. So let me generate the SSH keys in. So this time I want this user key to this location. Okay, and I don't want any passphrase to pass. Okay, Now need to install the SSH, copy ID to the DevOps user at server1.example.com. Yes, please. Password. This is the one-time configuration. You can also automate this configuration by using the Ansible. I will, oops. There are something I missed it. Let me go to SSH root at server2 /ctc passwd. Yeah, DEVOPS. Yes, let me reset the password of the DevOps user. I think I have set it the password for the root, and copy ID DevOps at server2. Yeah, let me check it. SSH DevOps at server1.example.com. Yes, I am able to access, and the same thing for server2. Yes. Okay, let me try to use it. So let's check first the Ansible CFG file. So here Ansible CFG file is saying your remote user will be DevOps. So we have the same user account on both of the system. Okay, and the DevOps user has the sudo privileges. So we need to enable the privilege escalation section. So become always will be true. Method will be sudo. Yes, remote user is this, and become password is false. So you need to do these settings here. Close and check your inventory file. Inventory file is look like this. Okay, let me use the command to check the ping. So like from the host we use the command like this: ping server1.example.com, like this. So it's responding. Server2.example.com, it's also responding. So how you will check the connectivity in the ping? By using the Ansible. So Ansible has the command Ansible. So this is the ad hoc command you are running with. You can type your server name server1.example.com. -m means you need to tell the module name, so which module you are going to use. As I mentioned to you, if you are not using any name of the module here, by default will be command. So I am using here -m means module name. I want to use here ping. So when you press the enter, it is going over the network and checking the operating system, and it says ping and your server saying pong. So if you are looking here this, so this is the pong response from the server, and here you are also getting the pong response from the server 1. Let me check for the server 2 as well. Here server 2, and server 2 should also provide the ping pong. Yes, so it means Ansible has the correct configuration to connect with these two remote servers. If you want to connect or check the connectivity with both of the server on the same time, you can mention here all. So it will give you the twice. So you can see one for the server 1 and one for the server 2. So in this particular video, I have demonstrated how you will prepare your nodes to be managed by your Ansible. So what we have done, we have created a one user, name is called DevOps. You can have the similar user on both of the server, or you can have the different user on the different servers. So I will let you know how you can manage the different user for different system by using the inventory file, because inside the ansible.cfg you can just pass a one single user. So recommendation is, if you are managing the large number of servers, so you should have a one common user for all the servers. Otherwise you will face some difficulties while using the username inside the inventory file, which user is which particular server, and so on. So We have created a one user account, name is called DevOps. We have assigned the sudo privileges for that particular user, and uh, we have created the SSH keys on the Ansible control node, and we have installed those SSH keys to our remote servers. And then we have checked by using the ping pong. So our Ansible is going to connect with these two servers, right? Okay. So this is the particular demonstration. If you have any question in this particular topic, please comment below on the video so that I can reply you. Otherwise, see you in the next session where we will run the ad hoc commands and playbooks to manage and configure our remote host. See you there. Thank you.